Today we've been out on the boat in Southampton Water to have some samples of the mud to see if there's a difference between the oil refinery side where there's been spills and on the side that's not been affected in terms of marine biodiversity. It's good to get a hands-on practice for when we are going into the working world, and it's good that we get to go out on the boat as students to be able to learn the experiences hand-on, so we can then put that into practice if we go into the sector, which obviously we hope to. Climate change is one of the big things. We really need to see the effect we're having on the planet, and yeah, it's really good to be able to practice that. Basically, it's interesting to see as well the effect of humans, how we can mitigate that in campaign to also stop companies from just polluting the ocean, really. The oceans are such a store of carbon, so we really need to be looking how to preserve it, because they're the lungs of the earth. So there's so many opportunities, and it's good to see basically with different experiences.